Oh yes, one more thing, the OnePlus Z. What's up guys, so OnePlus recently announced the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, and with that they finally made a flagship phone, like a complete flagship phone that can compete with your Samsung and your Apples. Of course with that they made these devices expensive than ever. I mean, it's nice, the phones are great, but this made a lot of average Joes out there pretty sad. Because now there is no flagship killer device from OnePlus. The new pricing has definitely created a big space for a flagship killer to come. Out comes the OnePlus 8 Lite, aka the OnePlus Z. This phone was first scheduled to be announced alongside the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. According to the rumors, the name was first called as OnePlus 8 Lite, but as we saw, OnePlus did not announce this phone, and a lot of people thought it was cancelled, but guess what? This device was only delayed. I don't know if it was because of iPhone SE or because of the current situation that is going on in the world, but I can definitely say that this is going to be one of the most exciting phones of the year, especially because of the new higher pricing. People are looking for that cheap OnePlus phone. So recently Apple came out with the iPhone SE. This is a $400 iPhone with the iPhone 11 internals in an iPhone 8 body. A lot of people have been roasting OnePlus because of this great Apple move, but no one realized that OnePlus has a surprise ready for the near future. So OnePlus Z, this is going to be the successor to the OnePlus X that came out a couple of years ago. That phone came out with the price of $200, whereas this one could be around $400 to $450. And at this price, this could be the best Android response to the iPhone SE, but in a modern 2020 standard. So because of how exciting this is, I personally think that this deserves its own launch event. It was the right decision to delay it. The serial leakster On Leaks also said on Twitter that it is being delayed. So OnePlus Z is going to be the smallest OnePlus phone in 2020, and no, it's not going to be as small as iPhone SE. It will still have a 6.3, 6.4 inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. OnePlus promised that all of its future phones will have at least 90Hz refresh rate. It's set to rock the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chip, which is the most powerful chip outside the flagship game according to Antutu. It will be coupled with 8GB of RAM and 5G. The cameras are said to be similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro from last year, so pretty much that whole setup could be featured on the OnePlus Z. Now by far the most exciting thing that people are interested in is going to be the price. So the OnePlus Z is expected to cost between $400 to $500. It's going to cost as much as the 128GB version of the iPhone SE, and considering the amount of OnePlus fans in markets like India, this phone could really cause some stiff competition to Apple. Now one thing is pretty clear, if anyone who's looking at the best compact phone in 2020, the iPhone SE2 is that phone, but at the same time it is important to see that it's rocking a 2014 design. On the other hand, the OnePlus Z with its better design and more camera options could actually make people change their mind again. I can't wait to see what OnePlus will bring with this phone, especially the price. We could be shocked, and yeah, I'm really excited for this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited for the OnePlus Z? If you're someone who is looking to buy the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, are you gonna wait and see what the Z will offer? So drop your comments and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.